Hey guys, Gian here of GadgetPilipinas.net, and today I am joined by my son,
Pierre Lorenzo Eviterbo.
Kumplero talaga. And of course, today we're going to show you what you can find inside the box of Linksys Velop. What do you think this does?
Nothing.
Nothing? Are you sure?
Gives Wi-Fi? Gives you Wi-Fi?
Right, that's correct. It gives you Wi-Fi. So, just to tell you guys how this works, imagine you only have one connection at home. Usually, if you, for example, you have PLDT fiber at home or you have this PLDT home Wi-Fi, you only have one Ethernet port. Okay? Isa lang yung connection mo dito at pwede ka mag-connect via Wi-Fi. Problema, halimbawa, you're at the sala, nandun yung Wi-Fi natin.
Yeah.
Pumunta ka dito tapos walang internet dito, what's gonna happen to what you're watching, for example?
Gonna glitch?
Gonna glitch?
Yeah.
For example, you're watching your favorite video on YouTube. Ano ba yung mga favorite na pinapanood sa YouTube?
The tallest tower in the world.
What?
The tallest tower in the world.
Tallest tower, mga ganyan, yung mga facts, di ba? Mga factoids. You are watching there at the sala and then pumunta ka dito sa opisina. Ano mangyayari?
It will be gone.
It will be gone. It will stop, di ba? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, mesh systems basically help you with that. So imagine with this one, you connect your PLDT, for example, PLDT router with one, and then the other one, this one, you connect this, you put it here, okay, at the office, and the other one, you put it where? For example,
You make like a triangle, you put it there, master bedrooms, office, and the living room?
That is correct. So, with all of these interconnected, isipin niya ngayon, nasa isang lugar lang. So, when you go here, it will automatically switch to this one right here. If you go to our room, it will automatically switch to this one. Seamless connectivity. So, hindi mo puputol.
I thought the thing that will happen is if you put it here, it will just light up and do nothing. I thought I was just gonna do put it here, light up, and just. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
So apparently, it's not. It's basically just gonna help you connect. No? Now, it is even modular. Ibig sabihin ng modular, you can connect with each other over Wi-Fi. You can even buy additional na ganito. Dadagdag ka. Bibili ka ng bago para, yan malaki bahay mo. No? Dagdagan mo yung ganito mo sa bahay. Okay ba yan? Malaki ba yung bahay mo?
No, I don't know.
Yeah, so hindi naman kami ganun kalakihan ng bahay, pero at least this should be able to help us para at least seamless yung connectivity. There's no reason, there's no way na madi-disconnect kami dun sa pinapanood namin. For example, if you're watching YouTube, watching Netflix, or even iFlix. Okay, so you wanna see what's inside the box?
Of course.
Alright! Okay, sige, let's see. Tignan natin. I haven't even opened this up, so... Alright.
Yay. Can I open it?
Sige, sure. Can you tell me what's inside the box?
Just 3 small things and it will be so big.
Okay, there is a setup guide.
Can I see?
Yeah, sige nga. Setup guide. Of course, the 3 Velops, envelope. So there's one right there. There's another one. And there is another one right here. So basically, pare-pareha sa itsura yan. Even yung likod niya, may Linksys. Tapos mayroong on-off switch. Now, in terms of yung itsura ng likod, so there are 2 ports for Ethernet. There's one for the power. Okay, power outlet.
I thought it would be very big.
Yeah, me too. But it seems that it's not. Thanks. Alright, let's see.
The thing
Okay, so yung first wala nang laman ito. So there's the setup box, and then sa likod niya merong mga pare-parehas din itsura nito. There's one adapter right here. Oh, so there are plugs available. So depende kung saan ka nakatira, kung Europe, US or Asia.
There's only one this.
Only one. Oh yes. So the reason why there's only one Ethernet cable is that ito yung dapat i-connect mo doon sa main router mo. Yung main router, alam mo yung sa sala?
Yeah.
Yung kulay puti, yung may nakalagay na PLDT fiber.
Yeah.
So that's the one we're gonna use. Okay?
And then what's this?
This one is a CD. So, well, apparently still Linksys provides installation disc. So, kung meron kang CD-ROM, you know CD-ROM?
No.
No. Okay, so, you know flash drive?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, yeah. Ano natin
You
yan?
put it inside?
You supposedly put this inside so you can install it. But I don't think you still need to install it because plug and play lang naman ito. So, plug and play, you plug and use it. Okay, so there's one. So, meron tayong set para this one. So, isama na natin dito yung Ethernet cable because this is the one we're going to use kapag kinonect natin yan doon sa PLDT fiber natin.
Can you use it already?
Later, yes! We're going to install it. There's another one right here. Let's connect. Same thing.
Can you tell me how does it work for me to help you?
No, here.
No.
There. That's basically everything inside the box, guys. You get the 3 mesh system, the 3 routers, and then some plugs, the setup guide, and just pretty much everything inside the box. Now, let us all assume, for example, that you only have one internet router at home, and ideally, you connect only one router. Okay. So, connect mo lang siya dito. So, this is the power adapter. Wifi. Sasak mo lang siya dito. Boop. And then, after that,
you waste a lot of electricity for just small things.
Yeah, yun lang.
That's a little weird.
But, you get seamless connection sa internet. What do you want? Yun, priorities, guys. Alright, so it also details here kung paano yung proseso, no? It says here, you choose either A or B, modem and router, or single device. Okay? 1, disconnect and remove the old router. Plug in your first node. So it is also possible that you use this as your main router. So basically, you connect this to the router provided to you by PLDT or other telcos if you want. And then after that, from there, you connect it to here. So parang pinaka-one mo yun. And then dito papasok.
So like, can I open this?
There's one right here. So assuming that you only have one internet router at home, for example, I have here the PLDT home. I just connect this PLDT home to this Velop. There's no indication whatsoever. You only have one indication at the top na nakailaw siya. Bukas, you see it?
But why don't you just put it in one place? Like this one here and like this. You put just those.
Hindi pwede.
This space will be
nasa isang lugar lang siya. So ideally, ilalagay mo to halimbawa doon sa kitchen. No, ito doon sa mismong sala. Ito sa office. Yung isa sa room natin. So ganun siya. Okay?
Okay.
Now, it is very easy to set up. Sabi dito, just have to choose kung ano yung setup na gusto mo. And then after that, if you have more than one, choose anyone. Will help you set it up later. The light will turn purple when the node is ready for setup.
I hope it's gonna work.
There you go. Okay, connected na siya.
So, what color it is?
And then, sabi dito, we just have to download one app. Okay, we download an app and that is called Linksys app. Linksys. Alright, Linksys. There. It says here, there, Linksys app. We download it. And number 3, connect either port on your node to modem router with the provided Ethernet cable. The light will turn purple when the node is ready for setup. So basically, it's not ready for setup. We've already installed Linksys. So as you can see, my son is currently setting things up. Already using a Linksys. Loading the. Yeah, agree. Looking for nearby devices. As you can see, it's now checking.
Yeah, that is a nearby device.
Yeah. There, found a node. It says here, found a node. So kita niyo dito, purple yung kulay.
Yay.
That's it. Cool. It's blinking purple. Checking for internet. So supposedly, this one should be able to see the internet connection of our PLDT home Wi-Fi.
I still don't
It says
get
here,
it.
What do you want to get?
This make your Wi-Fi space bigger, or does this make Wi-Fi just Wi-Fi?
Now this one makes Wi-Fi
And this
and
one?
internet. So basically, this one already has Wi-Fi. Now this one makes your Wi-Fi, the scope bigger, the coverage bigger.
Like this one says in the thing.
Yes.
Like this one, pretend that your house is this. You put one in the thing, and you put one in the kitchen, and you put one in the living room. So the whole Wi-Fi space is like this.
Exactly.
Oh.
So imagine if you have more than one node. Diba?
Yeah, it says that this. You have 3.
You have 3. Correct. Linking to your account. Amazing. So it's not currently setting up. It could take a minute.
Or 2.
Or 2. Or 3. But it says here a minute. Tignan natin. Velop. Say Velop. Mesh.
Velop.
Wi-Fi password.
Nothing.
Of course, we should put the password.
Why don't you just write 0000?
Configuring your Velop network.
Why don't you just
Nice.
put 000000?
Well, it's easy to guess if you use that password. The problem there would be, hindi ka naman madamot, but your neighbors will just simply sniff your internet. When that happens, your internet gets very, very slow because a lot of people are using your internet connection. That will be really bad. Yes. Plus,
And terrifying.
yeah. So, where do you want to place this?
You put it in the living room.
Okay, living room.
Living room.
So, living room, this one, where do we place this?
You put that in the...
Can I place this in the office? Here?
You have strong internet in the office, right?
Oh, alright. So,
Maybe you can have more internet. Office and... How about Jessica's room?
does she need that?
I don't know.
Okay. It's fairly easy, guys. Again, it's very easy. Your internet router at home, connect your Velop, download the app, and then set things up through the app. And then you can even add another node,
Okay, it's
even
in my
up to 2
chair.
nodes. Okay. All of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
See?
Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, add another node. How to, okay, place your node, just telling us how and where we place it. Okay, we're done with that. We can plug in the node. Wait for the light to turn solid purple. Oh, it's purple now. See?
Oh, good.
It's purple.
What the heck?
Patience is a virtue, son. Patience is a virtue. Found a node. See that? Found a node. There. So, is it easy or not easy?
Little bit.
Huh?
Little bit easy.
A little bit easy.
But mostly very easy.
Adding this node to your Velop system. So, this, we put this where? Here. Office.
No, you already
Yes,
have it in
please,
the
office.
No!
No!
You already have that in the office.
Now this, we put this there, living room. Living room, office, and the other one is where?
Rooftop.
What? No, not rooftop. Who's gonna use it there? Wala namang gagamit dun eh.
How Lola Lisa's room?
Pwede. Alright, so just a few things about the Velop of Linksys. It says here, Velop node is dual band AC, 2x2, 802x11 AC, Wave 2 with MIMO radio configuration with combined speed up to 1300 Mbps. They auto-configure to connect in multiple different mesh topologies. Want more range? Okay, your signal is great, but you could improve coverage if you move your node even farther from each other. Okay, I'd need to leave it here. So mamaya na natin gawin yan. So I can even add another node because I have basically 2 nodes now. One node here, another node here, and this one, basically this kid right here, I'm going to put it at the office. There you go. And this one, we place it at the
Master bed?
Master bedroom or kitchen. Okay. So success. Next, add another node. Okay. Next. All done with that. Plug in mode. Ah, the light is purple. Yes. Go.
Then
Looking for nearby Linksys devices.
what's a Linksys devices?
Oh, Linksys. Linksys brand. Okay, found a node. Next. Adding this node to your Velop system again. So we have 3 nodes and pretty much everything. Very easy to set it up. Alright.
Wait.
I'd like to leave it here. So basically, we're all done with the connecting all of the nodes, and we're gonna place this master bedroom next. That's pretty much it. We've got 3 nodes now. Next, and we're all done. That's it for now. Did you learn a lot today?
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, so again, this has been Gian of GadgetPilipinas.net. The price of Velop is now there down below. Also in the description. If you are interested, please let us know. Tell us your comments about this. And if you haven't subscribed to our page, we would appreciate if you can do that. Just click subscribe. And if you haven't liked our Facebook page, just click like. Again, this has been Gian, and this is...
Yeah.
And thank you guys for watching. See you soon on our next video.